Hey guys, this is Anu here again. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great today, and let us start with the first video of Teams, how to create team and what is the team, how to add up the members and what is the teams by doing it on Teams online for today. The first step, we have to open office.com. As you all know, this is the first site which we need to go to. When you go to office.com, we will be seeing this Teams here on the left. Okay, let's click on Teams. You can even go to teams.microsoft.com, okay, which you all already know this site, that is teams.microsoft.com. The most important thing, you can start accessing teams.microsoft. Sorry, you can start using the Teams application, of course, but today we will see how you can use it using the Teams online. The reason is, I will first tell you how you can install the Teams and then we will start using from Teams application, although the basic features and everything between the online and the application remains the same. So let us start. The first, this is the Teams, how your Teams application looks. For example, now we are online, so this is how your Teams online look. If you see, if I click on the top right here on my profile picture, you will see my status is available. Okay, you can even change all the status depending on whatever you want, so that the people who are looking at your status will see what you have kept. On the left you will see activity, chat, Teams, calendar, calls, and on three dots you can add any application, the custom applications, anything depending on your work and so on. So we will first click on Teams here on the left. If you see, a default team is already being created. So this is the company name which I gave, if you all remember, which is test 888. The already this team is being created, which is the org wide. The reason is, this is my general team. This is the team which automatically by default gets created. If I click on this three dots, if I click on second option, that is manage team, if you see, I have one owner, that is me, and I have two members, that is Teams and Test, which are the users of my organization. So this is automatically getting any members in my organization. If I add it to my admin center, or in my O365 tenant, automatically it will be shown over here. If I remove them, automatically it will be removed. So this is what is default team. Now if I want to create a new team, if you see here at the bottom, join or create a team, you will get two options, guys. One is create a team, second is join a team with the code. That is, if you want, you can create a team or join a team with the code. Is if you have any other team created by someone else, maybe, then you can just take a code, enter that code, and you will be able to join it. If I click on create team, this is the main step. If I click on create team, you will get two options, that is from scratch, which will help you to create a basic team, or from a group or team. For example, if you have an O365 group already, we will even see one more tutorial to understand the different types of groups and how the groups work, because we need to even understand that. If I say from a group, then it will give me some options depending on my groups which is already in my list. But if I want to create it from scratch, I can say from scratch. Now it will ask you private, public, or org wide. So if you say org wide, everyone in this organization automatically joins. Okay. If you say public, anyone can join, and private, people need the permission to join. So for now, I will just create a private team, because I do not want anyone to join automatically and anyone to join. So I will create a private team. Now my team name will be create Nice work. Okay, wonderful. So I can add the members because I'm creating a private team over here. So I can add the members. So for now, I will not. Okay, let's add everyone. If I say teams, if I add the test, add. So this is adding the members to my team. Okay, close. Let's see what happened. One member already exists in the team. Okay, let's close this. Let us click on manage team, where you can manage entire team. I will see this is the owner and this is the member. Now I want to add more member. Okay, something, I think there is some issue. Let me check. Okay, so it was already added. So now this is being added. For example, what you can do here is you can change if you want this person to be a member, or if, because I think this is just a cache somewhere being created, so it is not getting added. uh, Test 1, if you want it to be added as a member or as a owner, this you can decide and you can choose it from here. Now it is being already added. So if you see, my test is added and my teams is already added. Pending request, if I have any kind of request, I will be able to see it over here. For now I do not have any request. Channels, most important thing. For now I have one active channel, that is general. Suppose if I create a channel, automatically all the members in my team will be able to see the channels. For example, if I add one more channel and if I do not add that channel as a private channel or a confidential channel, then it will automatically add all the members from my team to that default, to that channel. That means in case if I have if I create a channel called as HR and accounts, all the members will discuss HR related things in HR channel, account related things in account channel, and IT related things in IT channel. But suppose if I make a confidential channel, then they will not be able to see the other channels. That means if I add a channel now, HR, which is standard, that means accessible to everyone on the team. So in my team I have 3 members, automatically everyone will have the access to this channel. But if I say private, then all the members in my team will not be able to access this private channel. Next, so I have 3 people in my channel, in my team, right? One is teams, one is test 1, and one is me. I will just add test 1, and you can only add that person to a channel who is already in your team. You cannot add any 4th person who is not in your team to a channel within that team. Okay guys, so let's add this member. Done. So now I have a private team inside which I have a general channel in which you have all the members who is already a part of your team, and I have one more channel which is a HR channel, in which if you see this lock sign, it is locked. That means it is private and it is not seen to anyone except the one who I have added to this channel. If I click on the 3 dots, if I click on manage channel, there is only one member, that is test 1. Now I will tell you how we can start the chatting. I am just typing hi in this private team general channel, and I will go to the test team which I have, the test account. This is a different account, T1 test 1. Okay, I got the notification that I have been added to a private channel. So let's go to team, let's go to general, and if you see, I have got hi. If I mention this person, okay, what will happen? Let us check that. At the rate test1. Okay, the email address is different, I believe. Test1. Okay, I don't remember that. Let me give you that in the next tutorial. So this is how you play. Now, if you see, this is a private channel even from the test account, that is HR, and I can start my conversation. Now let us see what will happen if I remove this person. If I go to manage channel, members and guest, and removing this test1. So now this is my private channel called as HR, and let us see how it looks in the next one. Okay, do you see, I am in the test account and I do not see HR channel on the left pane. Do you see here? I can just see the normal private team. So this is how the private channel works, wherein you can add the members, anyone who you want from your team itself and no one else other than the team members, if you're making a private channel. If that is a standard channel, all the members who is part of your team will automatically have access to that channel. So this is how the team and channel works. More settings about the teams and channel we will see in the next. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, like. Do click on the bell icon to get all the notifications, and please give your comments to understand how we are going. Thank you.